In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the Shopify affiliate program. To begin, open any web browser and search for Shopify affiliate program. Click on the first link, which should take you to Shopify's official affiliate site. On the page, click Apply Now. You'll be taken to a screen where you can sign up to become a Shopify affiliate and earn commission by referring merchants. Click on Sign Up to proceed. The first thing you'll see is Shopify's affiliate contract terms. You can scroll through them if you wish to review the details. Once you've done that, click Accept. Next, you'll be asked to sign up using one of several available methods, or you can register using your email. Fill out your first name, last name, username, email address, password, and mobile phone number. Once you've entered all of your information, click on Get Started. You'll then receive a verification code via email. Open your inbox, locate the email from Shopify, copy the verification code, and paste it on the sign-up page. Click on Verify to continue. You'll then need to select the category of your business. After making your selection, scroll down and click Continue. The next step is critical. Choose how you intend to promote Shopify. This choice can impact whether your application is accepted or not. Select a reliable and relevant platform such as YouTube, a blog, or social media. After selecting your promotional method, scroll down and click Continue. Then indicate whether you are applying as an individual or a company and enter the corresponding details. Once everything is filled in, click Submit and confirm by clicking OK. You will then be redirected to your Impact account, which manages the Shopify affiliate program. You'll see a message in the top right corner confirming that your application was auto-approved, and that is how you can join the Shopify affiliate program.